Hello friends, today we see the important features of glycolysis. Glycolysis takes place in all cells of the body. It is universal and most conserved pathway in the living cells during evolution. The enzymes of glycolysis are located in the cytosol where they are loosely associated with cell structures such as membranes. Glycolysis is an emergency energy yielding pathway for cells in the absence of oxygen. Other tissues which have relatively few mitochondria, for example, leukocyte, kidney, glycolysis is significant for ATP production. Glycolysis is very essential for brain which is dependent on glucose for energy. The intermediates formed in glycolysis are useful for the synthesis of non-essential amino acids and glycerol. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.